Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to divide a polynomial. In this very video you are going to learn about how to solve the division method using a polynomial. So here's the explanation. First I'm going to explain it verbally and then I'm going to solve it for you with the example. First step is to divide first term of the dividend by first term of the divisor, and then we multiply the result with the divisor. Then in the end what we will do, subtract the result from the dividend and find the remainder. The last step will be repeating the whole process till we get the exponent of the dividend which is less than that of the divisor. Well, these are the steps we are going to use in the very same question. Let's begin with the example. So here I have written an example for you. Alright, the first step is to divide the first term of the dividend by first term of the divisor. Well, this one is the divisor, this one is your dividend, right? So first term is this 5x square. So what we have to do is to divide first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. What does it mean? 5x square upon x. So we will get the answer over here 5 of x. Okay, so 5 of x, this is the answer we have got. So we are going to write over here 5x. Now multiply this with this first divisor. 5 into x, 5x into x, it will be 5x square. What we have to do is to omit this. We must try to get rid of the first term. In order to get it done like this, we have to divide the first term by the first term of the divisor. So then minus, it will be close, and then minus over here we multiply with the second term of the divisor. 5x multiplied by, here we will write minus 5 3 is a 15, and x multiplied by y will be xy. So what we will do, minus sign over here, you know that very well, when we put a minus over here, then last term changes its sign. So that was positive, it became negative, negative became positive. So 16 minus 15, it will be negative xy. It will remain same, it will come down. Then what we will do, we will do again the same method. Now here we have received this answer, minus xy plus 3y square. Now what number we, or what variable we supposed to take in order to get rid of this xy? Here you can see in the divisor we have x minus 3y. So if we take y and multiply with this x, so it will be xy over here. So in order to make it xy, what variable we supposed to multiply with it? Definitely the y. So we will multiply it with minus of y. So minus y multiplied by x, it will be minus xy, minus minus, it will be plus. Then y and y, basis same, power will be added up, 3 remains same because of the coefficient is 1. So basis same, power will be added up, it will be square like this. 3y multiplied by minus y, it will be minus minus plus, and 3 1s are 3, multiply by y, basis same, power will be added up, it will be 3 multiplied by y square. So it will be 3y square. Now put a line over here. What we have, we are subtracting it, so the last sign of the last equation or expression will be changed. It will be it was minus, so it will be plus. It is minus plus, so it will be minus. So everything will be cancelled it out over here. So the remainder became 0. This is the very easy process. This is the way we have to normally use for division in order to find out the division method of polynomials. So I hope that you have understood. Inshallah ta'ala, I will come with the next example in the next video. Allah Hafiz.